At Aquatera, safety is a core value. It is our goal to minimize the exposure to the risks and hazards associated with our business. This is an orientation video for all drivers, swampers, and any other personnel weighing in and out of the Aquatera sump and septic area. Please report all incidents and spills immediately, or request help from the Aquatera treatment plant by calling 780-532-3996, option 1, between 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. weekdays, or the shift operator after hours by calling 780-832-1944. After notifying the treatment plant, it is the responsibility of the company to clean up the contaminated area. Environmental compliance. All materials must comply with the requirements of the applicable legislations. Bylaws C-1365, City of Grand Prairie, 3070, County of Grand Prairie, 938, Town of Sexsmith, and 715, Town of Wembley. For more information, please visit www.aquatera.ca/transparency-growth/regulations. There is zero tolerance for oils, hydrocarbons, or contaminated materials of any kind. Vehicles with placards of any kind are not allowed to dispose at Aquatera's facility until a flush card is presented. Random samples of material can be collected at any time for analysis without notice. Any accidents or incidents must be reported immediately by calling 780-532-3996, option 1, or for after hours, 780-832-1944. No smoking is permitted on site. Sump weighing in procedure. The sump area is gated. All PPE must be worn by all personnel prior to accessing or entering this site, including hard hat, safety glasses, high visibility clothing, safety footwear, and traction aids. Scan your access card to open the gate and proceed to the vehicle detection area. You will see a solid red traffic light on the vehicle scale. Slowly proceed to the stop sign. The light will turn green, then slowly proceed onto the scale. Once on the scale, the light will turn solid red, indicating the scale is sensing the truck. Stop your vehicle when it's centered. When the light starts flashing green, the scale is stable. Scan your card at the kiosk and proceed when you see a message on the screen. After successfully scanning your card, record inbound weight before proceeding to the sump area. Continue to the mud disposal site by taking the one-way to the sump road. Please use extra care when traveling between the mud disposal site and ensure you are taking the correct one-way road by observing the posted signs. Drivers have taken the wrong road, which creates confusion for other drivers and the possibility for a collision. Once at the mud disposal site, back into selected open stall with the aid of a spotter. Visual contact with the spotter is very important, as other vehicles operating in the area will drown out any voice communication. Dump your clean hydrovac mud slurry at the mud sump area. Wait until the end of the day to dump your remaining mud solids in the shake-off area. Exit by taking the one-way back to the scale road. Sump weighing out procedure. When trucks are finished weighing in at the scale, you will see a solid red light indicating for you to drive into the vehicle detection area. Proceed slowly. Once the light turns green, drive slowly onto the scale and stop at the "No part of truck past this point while weighing" sign centered on the scale between photo detection sensors. Once the light flashes green, scan your card, record outbound weight, and collect your receipt from the kiosk and place the fully completed manifests in the drop box. Drive slowly off the scale towards the gate, which will automatically open, allowing your vehicle to exit. Only remove PPE after leaving the site's access gate. Troubleshooting at the scale. If either the gate or the scale is not functioning properly, please contact the Aquatera treatment plant by calling 780-532-3996, option 1, or for after hours, please call the shift operator at 780-832-1944. A telephone is available at the gate entrance. Both inbound and outbound weights can still be captured on the outbound screen, South Scale Monitor. The manifest is still to be submitted by the driver. The scale will display a flashing red light when there is an error with the vehicle detection sensor. The scale will not be able to read your vehicle's weight while it's in this state. Check that you are not pulled up too far past the "No part of truck past this point while weighing" sign. Check that the vehicle behind you has not driven onto the detection area. If this happens, ask the driver to leave the detection area, as they are at fault. To reset the scale, drive forward on the scale and past the vehicle detection area. In a short time, the scale will reset and display a solid red light. Once the light turns solid red, slowly reverse into the vehicle detection area. When the light turns green, back carefully onto the scale. Using care when stopping in consideration for your drivers is the best way to ensure this inconvenience does not happen. Septic Kiosk Procedure. Stay in the right-hand lane of the road until you pass the Aquatera treatment plant entrance. All PPE must be worn by all personnel prior to accessing and entering this site, including hard hat, safety glasses, high-visibility clothing, safety footwear, and traction aids. Connect hose to the septic kiosk. Enter access number and PIN number. Confirm that hose is connected securely and press the start button. Do not leave the hose unattended during offloading. Do not blow off hose into the kiosk, as this can cause inaccurate readings. Press the stop button when done. If the stop button is not pressed, the kiosk can continue reading for additional seconds. Disconnect the hose. Leave a completed manifest in the manifest box, located at the Septic Kiosk computer. Treatment plant manifest. One completed manifest per load is required to be filled out and dropped at the drop box at the time of disposal. The sump drop box is located at the sump computer kiosk. The septic drop box is located at the septic computer kiosk. Please note, Aquatera will make 3 attempts to locate the missing manifest. If the manifests are not received, additional tipping fees will be charged to the account, or the account will be temporarily suspended until the missing manifests are received. Portable toilet procedure. The portable toilet offloading hole is located in front of the Aquatera treatment plant wastewater building, located by signage. The treatment plant is gated. For access, call 780-532-3996 between 8 a.m. and 4:30 p.m. weekdays, or 780-832-1944 for after hours. All PPE must be worn by all personnel prior to accessing and entering this site, including hard hat, safety glasses, high-visibility clothing, safety footwear, and traction aids. The hole is unmanned and does not track the amount being disposed. An estimate on the manifest is required. A cover is located over the portable toilet hole. Please place the cover back on after use. Do not leave the hose unattended during offloading. Leave a completed manifest in the manifest box located on the double doors of the Aquatera Treatment Plant Administration Building. Thank you for watching the Aquatera Sump and Septic Operations Procedure Orientation video.